Oh, who's that bandit? Who's that pretty dog?
You really can't mess this up. So we're gonna see how bad we can mess it up. You trying to get gapped? Trying to get gapped?
It's right out the window.
The race shoes?
Ball bandit.
Vinny's out here flexing on my skin tone.
Steven.
What do you need? Impact.
The impact.
What are you doing, chicken? You ate Mommy's plants? I hope you didn't. Come over here.
Steven!
Sorry, guys. Got a little distracted.
You're wrong.
No, yeah, I definitely can't. 6 tons!
Give me the text!
No way. 6 tons!
How many?
Steven and his wallet can fit on that.
What are you doing? It's about that time, boys. Awkward still. You're gonna be disappointed in this. Let's get it! You know Bandit has to have the Yeti dog bowl as well. Okay, this works. Like this. Let's see if we can get this.
Alright.
Yo, bottles. Garbage. Bottles, garbage. Alright. Recycling.
Alright, well, I think it's time for me and Stu to leave. Steven can finish this up, right?
Alright, Steven, see you later.
Alrighty. Vinny, you got it, right?
Wait, no.
What?
This is a Ford, I can't get in this. No, we're driving the Sonic, come on.
Is connected
Working AC.
successfully.
The only one in the fleet.
Is it your first car with AC, Vinny?
It is, actually.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
Sonic!
Vinny, nice spot, buddy.
Has your vehicle speed ever been monitored by GPS? Well, then you know what it's like to drive the AutoZone delivery car.
Hey.
Chevy. Chevy Spark or die.
It's a Sonic.
Chevy Sonic or die.
Vinny, I'm putting you on the spot. You're coming down for Daytona Truck Week?
I don't know yet.
No, you gotta say yes or no.
I don't know yet.
You gotta say yes or no.
It's a long way to trailer the S10.
Oh, like it's never been done before.
Just so I can flex on people with $5,000 lift kits.
Vinny's whole Jeep was $1,000 and then he decided to blow it up. I'll put a video right here. This thing's running mint. You had a great run, princess. We love you. You are amazing.
It was worth it. That's probably the best $1,000 I've ever spent. Look at that concentration. Damn. Oh. Damn, Stu's got guns. Steven, you're slacking over here.
It's almost loose.
Get back to work. Ladies, just to let you know, he's very responsible. He puts the bolts back where he got them.
What the fuck's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steven back at it again with an unboxing from Cloak Game Changer Lift Kit. Right here we have.
Oh, sorry.
It's together. I wonder if they have like labels front and rear or except yes.
Front.
Why?
Still?
Because the ones we took out don't
no?
look like that. The ones we took
It's not
out,
supposed to look the same. It's an upgrade.
just because they put some fancy colors on it doesn't mean it's an upgrade, alright? How many control arms do you have?
That's what it is. It is what it is.
Flex it. Flex it. Flex it. Oh, Steven! Oh, get your sweatshirt. It's cold out here with that ice.
Yep, we're using
It's
the
drip
original
season,
hardware.
baby.
Original hardware?
Yeah. It's all
I got hardware with my $2,000 lift kit. And you paid how much for this? Right, yeah, scratch your head.
We adjust it to 23 9/16.
Please tell me someone has a tape measure.
You didn't bring one, Vinny? Shout out to Robert Frank, you know. Back at it again with an amazing tool.
said 23.5 inches. That's a digital caliper. That's for thousands. Put it back. What? Put it back.
Edit that out. My editor, edit that out, please.
You guys didn't tell me I have to f***ing hire an editor for my scenes.
I want it to be like bougie, like, all right, dude, like.
No bouginess here. Why do people in movies drink beer so aggressively when they're angry? They're fucking... Like nothing goes in my mouth when that happens. Ridiculous.
Ah, look at this.
Quickly grew a mullet. It happens when American activities happen.
What, you just forgot to say the word happen?
Down.
Like a f***ing glove.
Alright, we're gonna have to the breaker bar.
Did they give you a torque spec or is it just tight?
I swear, I stopped recording at the worst times. Steven, show what you just did.
Our little handy dandy socket went in there.
I got the magnet! Steven, are any of these toolboxes?
How far is this?
So fire.
So far, dude. Best, I think it was like $5.
Look at that tongue work.
Dude, put the f***ing camera down. It's time to work.
Alright, well, Stu's working on... We got the bolt loose that we've been fighting with. But, we're idiots. Collectively. Definitely not just me.
No, it was all of us.
But, inside there... I'm trying not to get my phone. It's got a tab that catches. So it's not a nut. It's just a tab. And we were trying to prime the tab.
And what happened?
We stripped the tab. But it's fine because technically we don't need it.
Look, there it is.
This little right there.
We tried putting a socket on that many times.
Focus.
Tried about 3 different sizes.
Yeah, it's a little round now. It's fine though because we don't need to hold it. 18 and vice grip.
That's the official size, Ben?
That's supposed to be 2039 60s. The lower control.
Well, glad we didn't tighten the bottom.
Take it.
Ah, it's the power of the mullet.
I'm not wearing the mullet. Hey, don't get it dirty. I wear that during sexy time.
Vinny's done.
Oh? Yeah. Oh. I'll be right there. Vinny, I gotta go. My fish needs to be walked. I got my peaches in Georgia. Oh, yes.
Alright, so now the upper control arm is going into the Jeep.
We're almost halfway done with the front.
It was a bald eagle. His name was Henry.
He had a name tag on?
He was wearing a little tux.
Napa parts delivery?
Yeah.
Did he drive a Chevy Sonic?
Scumbag.
Hey Stu, I don't have to worry about looking tan or pale.
What is that supposed to mean?
They give me those.
Well, you had me stand in front of the light so you
Those
don't look so
spacers.
white.